we're in this area. No, we don't know this guy, but his statue is located in the National Park of Sukhothai. I think he's so I apologize na kasi kanina you have to remove your shoes pala here. So what I did, nakakyat ako doon. It's really cultural ignorance at historical ignorance. He's a very sacred person, no? I-research natin to, but his statue is located on the western part, no, of Sukhothai Park. So this is the Sukhothai Historical Park. Yan. Nakapalibutan ng tubig. There's somebody taking selfie there, no? And there's also parang water. This is swimming pool, no, it's a pond. Yan, na area. So we can ask her. Sino kaya to? The guide. Okay. Yan, huwag tayo magtanong. But we'll just research online, no? Because the local guide did some worship. Yan siya kanya. Ang ganda. No. You have much to learn from history, Thai culture, and Thai civilization. Well, lumalabas they antedated or predated yung Philippine history. At least yung recorded, no? But I think many of you will disagree. But I think, no, being a Filipino, medyo nauna yung civilization dito sa Thailand. Okay?